to be able to understand if you like ghee, bharta, chawal, curry, butter chicken, mutton, you must have tried all of those things. जिस चीज में मजा आता है वो करता हूं, जिसमें मजा नहीं आता वो छोड़ देता हूं. सो आपको कैसे पता लगेगा आपको किस चीज में मजा नहीं आता unless you try. So don't have this mindset and don't hang out with people who have this mindset of घड़ी देख के काम करना and all of that. It doesn't work. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how, if you're totally confused, you can then get crystal clarity on how you can develop your future. Namaskar, my name is Avi Arya. And in this video, I want to talk to all of you people. Every single day, the common theme of the videos that I'm getting is, I'm lost, main kya karoon? I'm young, I don't know what to do. You could be new in Canada, you could be new in Bareilly, you could be new in Chennai, you could be new in Goa. Wherever you are as a youngster and you're wanting to do digital marketing, you feel confused. I just started understanding what digital marketing is, and then AI came. What's going to happen to my career? Are we going to lose our jobs? What field should I choose? Is there anything that is certain, Avi? Or should I just go back to a job and let go of my entrepreneurial dreams? What should I do? Watch this video till the very end because मैं आपको वो बताने वाला हूँ जो जिंदगी ने मुझे सिखाया है. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to tell you what life has taught me. Life has taught me one thing, that you can connect the dots, but only when you look back. Going forward, you will only have a little bit of haze and the courage to go through that haze, go through that uncertainty. So if you're going through that uncertainty and you're sending those messages to me and you're actually watching these videos, congratulations. Because you know what? When life becomes dhundla, when life becomes hazy and you can't see it, there are people who will search for answers, search for a torchlight, and you're one of them. So congratulations, you are marching ahead. Now, what are the 3 steps that I recommend to you to be able to go through this? Number 1, to be able to understand if you like ghee, bharta, chawal, curry, butter chicken, mutton, you must have tried all of those things. So ladies and gentlemen, nobody else can tell you you will like butter chicken. Nor can I, nor can any other coach. What I would want you to do is to take up a nice job at an agency. Take up a nice job on the brand or digital side at a brand. And that's where you will discover yourself. See, when a short person sees a tall person, he says, I'm short, the other person is tall. When a person with a white shirt sees the person with a red shirt, he knows that I'm wearing white, he's wearing red. So we understand ourselves through the different yous in our life. I am the me through the different yous in my life. You are the you because of the different yous in your life. But आप अकेले घर बैठ के अगर सोचोगे तो आपको इसका आंसर नहीं मिलेगा. So go out there into an ecosystem of people who are working and going somewhere. उस भीड़ में रहो, उस संगत का पार्ट रहो और वो संगत आपको बता देगी कि क्या आप नहीं हो. You will see a lot of colleagues and you will say नहीं, मुझे कॉपी राइटिंग नहीं पसंद, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता उसको बॉस के साथ हमेशा ये वाला काम करना पड़ता है, मुझे ये नहीं पसंद, I don't like this finance part, oh, I like the creativity part, I don't mind standing in front of the camera for 8 hours, I don't mind standing behind the camera for 8 hours. Guess what? I love after editing. Guess what? I love to find AI tools for my company. I love the things which others don't love so much. You will start realizing what are the things that you like. Just like I told you about butter chicken and bharta and all of those things, you know what you like. Same, you will know what you like over here. So surround yourself in an ecosystem of people. Look for a nice company. And I've already made videos on how to get a job in any company that you want. You will. Most people don't have the right LinkedIn resume. They don't have the right outreach strategy. Look at my other videos. Create your outreach strategy and then go and apply for a job. So सबसे पहली चीज है, don't sit at home. Don't be in a shitty job. Be in a job that you like. Jobs are great. Be in a job that you like. Be in a job that are people who are working hard and they're challenging you. Number 2. If you want to become an entrepreneur, have the mindset of an entrepreneur. I can't work more than 4 days a week. I have to go home at 5 o'clock. This is my work and life balance. Boss, I'm very sorry. With all due respect to everybody who's watching this, an entrepreneur has to work very hard before he can find a little bit of work-life balance. Because when you're launching a rocket to space, there is so much energy that is needed. So much energy, so much fire. That you cannot say while the rocket is burning and it's going up, you say, oh, it's Friday, shut it off. Oh, it's 5 o'clock, shut it off. Now we'll set it up on Monday. So there will be no momentum. That rocket will never go to space. A startup is like a rocket. Your startup career is like a rocket. It needs all the momentum, non-stop. So sleep well, go to the exercise and then work. Sleep well, exercise and well. And also eat well. And focus everything. So if you have that mindset that you're learning from people all around, oh, you know what, this work-life, arey boss, work-life balance will come later. Right now you're young and your work-life balance has to be around your health, mental and physical. Your eating and sleeping will take care of that. Your exercise will take care of that. And there's work. Work is worship. You start loving it. If you're not loving it, you're in the wrong job. If you're not loving it, you're in the wrong startup. Or if you're not loving it, you chose your definition of success for somebody else's definition of success. अपनी definition of success ढूंढो और आपको मजा आना शुरू हो जाएगा. घर आने से क्रिकेट खेलने से सचिन तेंदुलकर ने बोला 12-12 घंटे बैठे रहते थे गर्मी के अंदर. हम बचपन में खेलते थे. काम से मैं कभी रात को 10-11 बजे 12 से पहले नहीं निकला. मुझे मजा आता है. जिस चीज में मजा आता है वो करता हूं, जिसमें मजा नहीं आता वो छोड़ देता हूं. सो आपको कैसे पता लगेगा आपको किस चीज में मजा नहीं आता? अनलेस यू ट्राई. सो डोंट हैव दिस माइंडसेट एंड डोंट हैंग आउट विद पीपल हु हैव दिस माइंडसेट ऑफ घड़ी देख के काम करना एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. इट डजंट वर्क. नंबर 3, हैव अ पॉजिटिव 30-day plan. Write down what are you going to do in 30 days, and then 60, and then 90, and then only work for 30 days. If you want to figure out your life, my dear youngster, only work for 30 days. The 30 days will figure out the next 30 days and the next 30 days, because the future is going to be figured out by the present. What you do today is going to figure out your future. If you're completely lost, you can't take one direction and you'll go here, one and you'll go here. Yes, there's the law of karma. Yes, there's a lot of cause and effect. But there's a law of sangat also. There's a law of community also. There's a law of living with a lot of people and understanding from them, from an ecosystem. आप जिस ecosystem में बनोगे रहोगे उस ecosystem के साथ के ही बनोगे. संगत रखो अपनी. So be part of a community, be part of a job that you like. Understand ये 9 to 5 वाली कोई चीज नहीं है जिसमें आपको दिन रात work balance मिलेगा. रॉकेट है, ऊपर जाना है, बहुत मेहनत करनी है. And finally, make sure that you are doing what you love to do and you're not borrowed somebody else's idea of success. Right? तो ये तीनों steps को फिर से सुनो और उसके बाद right away जाओ, देखो कौन सी कंपनीज में अप्लाई करना है and non-stop apply. And remember one thing, अगर आपको 15 कंपनीज में एप्लीकेशन देने के बाद रिजेक्शन हो रही है तो आप 30 में अप्लाई करिए. 30 में हो रही है तो 60 में कीजिए, और उससे ज्यादा भी हो रही है तो वापस जाके देखिए आपकी आउटरीच स्ट्रेटेजी कैसी है, शायद गलत हो रही है. गो एंड वॉच माई वीडियोस, बट डोंट गिव अप, बिकॉज द ड्रीम्स आर देयर. वो बस देखती है दुनिया और जिंदगी और यूनिवर्स कि आप में कितनी हिम्मत है, कितना आप पुश कर सकते हो. आप पुश करो, आप जरूर आगे पहुंचोगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. अभी क्लैरिटी नहीं मिल रही, इट्स ओके. हर जिंदगी में, हर फेज में हम सब धुंध से निकल रहे होते हैं. अगर आपको लगता है किसी को भी, इंक्लूडिंग मी, मुझे पता है मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, नहीं, हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं. कुछ हमने पैटर्न्स देखे हैं पुराने, हमको पता है वो होगा, अभी आगे भी होगा. पता है हो जाएगा, कैसे होगा किसी को नहीं पता. सब लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आप भी कोशिश करो. और any of you people who want to join my new program, because I start batches every week where we have 12 to 16 weeks of training. Once a week we have classes. People come in for our classes. We help them get known. We help them get leads. We help them get sales. उनको अपनी माइक्रो नीश के बारे में पता लगता है. वो अपना ऑफर क्रिएट करते हैं. वो अपना मार्केटिंग करते हैं. Then it's a sales program. Every month, first month they get 1 sale. Second month 2. Third month 3. Fourth month 4 sales. And 4 sales में लोगों की एजेंसी या कोई भी सर्विस बिजनेस है वो स्टार्ट हो जाता है. बट अगर आपका कोई बिजनेस नहीं है तो जीरो से स्टार्ट करने के लिए दिस इज नॉट द प्लेटफॉर्म. इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी मेकिंग सम मनी ऑनलाइन, $4,000 to $5,000 और 2 से 3 लाख रुपए, then this is the program for you, because we help you scale it. We don't help you start from scratch. So this is a program for a scaling of a service business. So अगर आपको इस बिजनेस में आना है एंड हमारा 12 से 16 वीक का प्रोग्राम लेना है, सो क्लिक ऑन द लिंक and you will be guided to a form से आप कॉल बुक करेंगे, मेरी टीम आपके साथ बात करेगी. if the program is right for you, pay for the program, come in. I will be taking all the classes myself and I love to teach all of you. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Next video देखना मत भूलना. Thank you very much. This is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman. Love you all. Bye for now.